Hello and welcome to this video. What is Tableau? Tableau is a data analytic platform. You can download and install Tableau from the link on the screen. It allows you a free 14 days trial to the software. This is the Tableau website. It allows you to try Tableau for free for 14 days. So to do that, there is a button here that says try Tableau for free. Click on that. There are different versions for the trial. You have a Tableau desktop, which is what I'm going to be downloading. You also have Tableau online. So if you don't want to install the desktop version, you can start the free online trial by clicking on this button for the free online trial. If you are a student in a current institution or a teacher, you can get a free 1-year license. So if you want to know more about that, just click on this link that says learn more. Tableau also has other products. So if you want to extend the trial experience, there are other products. We've got the Tableau Prep Builder to prepare your data for analysis. We've got Tableau Online. We've got Tableau Server that enables you to share Tableau at an enterprise level. So feel free to read through the various options to extend your Tableau trial. Also, before you install Tableau, there are technical specifications. So if you expand that, you can see what is required for the Tableau desktop, which is the version I'm going to be downloading and installing. So read through the requirements. So make sure that your system meets the installation requirement before you attempt to download and install Tableau desktop. I've entered my email address to download the free trial for the desktop. So I'm going to click on this link. My download has started, so that's my download here on the bottom left hand corner of my screen. I'll give it a few minutes to complete the download. My download has completed. That's my download here on the bottom left hand corner of my screen. So I'm going to double click on my file here on the bottom left hand corner of my screen to start the installation. This is the Tableau desktop setup screen. So before you start the installation, you have to check this box to accept the terms of the license. Also, Tableau collects information about the feature usage or the usage data that is handled. And there is a box here. If you don't want your data to be used by Tableau, you can check this box that says don't send product usage data. So it's up to you. I'll leave you to decide which option you want. I'm going to check this box for now and click install. If you're on a Windows computer, you may get this user account control. Just click yes. Once the installation is complete, you will have an icon on your desktop for Tableau. To begin, you need to launch it. After launching the Tableau desktop, you need to complete the Tableau registration before you can activate it to use. So enter your relevant information and then click on the Start Trial Now button. Once your Tableau desktop has been activated, this is the interface that you will be presented with. So from this interface, you can connect to various data sources and begin your data analysis.